Deep in the frozen wilderness of Antarctica, in one of the coldest and most isolated places on Earth, there is a phenomenon that looks almost impossible. From the side of a massive glacier, a mysterious red liquid flows across the ice. It looks like blood running through a world of snow and frozen mountains. For more than a century, explorers and scientists have been fascinated by this strange waterfall. But the biggest question remains, is it really blood? Is it a sign of something unknown hidden beneath the ice? Or is there a scientific explanation behind this incredible natural mystery? Today, we are going deep into one of Antarctica's greatest secrets, a place where the impossible appears to happen. This is the mystery of Antarctica's Blood Falls. In 1911, an Australian geologist named Thomas Griffith Taylor was exploring one of the most extreme environments on Earth. He was part of the famous Terra Nova expedition, a journey created to study and explore the unknown regions of Antarctica. During his expedition through the McMurdo Dry Valleys, Taylor discovered something that no one expected to see. Coming from the side of a massive glacier was a strange red liquid flowing slowly across the frozen landscape. In a place where everything was covered in white ice, this deep red color looked almost impossible. The explorers were shocked. They had discovered a natural phenomenon unlike anything they had seen before. At first, scientists had many different theories about what was causing the strange color. Some believed it could be a type of red algae. Others wondered if something unusual was hidden beneath the ancient ice. The mystery became even more fascinating because Antarctica was thought to be a lifeless frozen desert. How could liquid water exist in such extreme cold? Why was it flowing from a glacier? And what was creating that mysterious red color? For decades, these questions remained unanswered. The strange waterfall became known around the world as Blood Falls, one of Antarctica's greatest natural mysteries. For many years, scientists believed that Antarctica was just a frozen desert. But beneath the massive ice sheets, there is another world. Hidden under the Taylor Glacier is a lake that has been trapped for millions of years. This underground lake contains extremely salty water. The water is so salty that it can remain liquid even when temperatures fall below freezing. But the most amazing discovery was not the water itself. It was what lived inside it. Scientists found tiny microorganisms surviving in this extreme environment. These organisms have been isolated from the outside world for millions of years. They survive without sunlight and use chemical reactions instead of normal photosynthesis. This discovery changed how scientists think about life. If life can survive under Antarctic ice, could similar life exist on other planets? The biggest question remains, why does the water look like blood? The answer is actually chemistry. The underground water beneath Taylor Glacier contains a huge amount of iron. When this iron-rich water reaches the surface and contacts oxygen in the atmosphere, the iron begins to oxidize. The same process happens when metal rusts. The iron turns reddish-brown, creating the appearance of blood flowing from the glacier. So the Blood Falls is not actually blood. It is a natural chemical reaction happening in one of the most extreme environments on Earth, a beautiful example of how nature can create something that looks impossible. The Blood Falls mystery became even more interesting because of its connection to space research. Scientists studying this environment believe it may help us understand how life could exist beyond Earth. Mars, for example, once had liquid water on its surface. Today, Mars is cold, dry, and hostile. But if microorganisms can survive under Antarctic ice without sunlight, could similar life survive beneath the frozen surface of Mars? Places like Blood Falls give scientists clues about where to search. Extreme environments on Earth can act as natural laboratories for exploring the possibility of life in the universe. Although scientists now understand much more about blood falls, many questions remain. How long has this hidden ecosystem existed? How did these microorganisms survive for millions of years? And are there other hidden environments beneath Antarctica waiting to be discovered? Antarctica is still one of the least explored places on Earth. Beneath kilometers of ice, there may be ancient lakes, unknown organisms, and secrets that have been protected for millions of years. The frozen continent still holds mysteries that could change our understanding of life itself. The blood falls of Antarctica reminds us that our planet is far more mysterious than we often imagine. Sometimes the greatest discoveries are not found in distant galaxies, but hidden beneath the ice beneath our own feet. What appears to be a river of blood is actually a story of survival, chemistry, and the incredible power of nature. This is the truth behind one of Earth's most fascinating mysteries. You have just unlocked the truth.